What is going on, YouTubers? Back with another video today. We have got the Vacmaster. This isn't a regular vacuum cleaner. This is a combination vacuum cleaner and carpet extractor. And I got this to replace my Bissell, my portable Bissell Little Green to do cars with, because this has an 8-gallon tank and then a 1-gallon water tank. So it holds a lot more. So it's going to do a lot more work. And this is only $230, and on Amazon they got a $20 off coupon right now. I will link that in the description below for you. So let's go ahead and get this thing unboxed. Take a look at it. And I haven't actually taken anything out. I just cut open the top, so I didn't have to bore you with that. Alright, so we get a bottle of Vacmaster cleaning shampoo. Looks like carpet shampoo. Says, do not use water hot enough to scald or burn skin. Of course. Yeah, deep carpet cleaner, detergent. Awesome. Well, I wasn't expecting that, so that's welcome. I've got the instruction manual. The short cleaning lance. This is gonna get used the most. It's got a nice durable feeling hose, metal fittings. Very nice. Get out of the way. And we've got this nice metal wand, and if I can figure it out, it extends. Nice. It's pretty high quality feeling. Those are the wheels. These nice too. They're like rubberized, non-marring feeling wheels, so that's pretty nice. What do we have here? Got a floor squeegee, suck up water off the floor. We've got the floor lance. This connects to the end of the wand, and use it to do carpets. This is gonna be nice. I might do my stairs with this, maybe. Make it a hell of a lot faster. Alright, what else we got in here? So the handle. The handle apparently has a remote control to turn the water on and off, so I don't know how well you can see that. That's just for vacuum only, and to have the water pump turn on to spray. And does it have a trigger on it? Oh yeah, the trigger is on the different part, I believe. Get the rest of this out. Then we've got, this is nice, combination floor tool. Metal, not plastic. I mean, the housing's plastic, but got the switch on there to raise and lower the brushes if you're doing hard floor or carpet. So that's pretty nice. I actually don't have one of these, and it's got a nice little wheel on the back too. So I do have a shop vac, but my shop vac did not come with nice attachments like this. And I'm pretty sure it costs close to the same price. Get the vacuum unit itself out. And this is the metal axle that goes through that you attach the wheels to. Here's the vacuum itself. Let me adjust this real quick, get a better look at it. Excuse me. There we go. I'm doing this in my bedroom, so excuse the laundry in the background. Alright, so we got the main unit here. We got detergent mode and vacuum mode. You can control it from here as well. On-off switch right up here at the top. This is where you connect the water line to. This is where you connect the vacuum to. And it's got a nice drain down here on the bottom. Turn it around. 1 gallon water tank, that's removable. So you can go fill it up in a sink, whatever you need to do. Is it 1 gallon? Yeah, it is 1 gallon, I believe. And then it's got the part that draws from it. It's got a nice filter on it so it doesn't suck up any debris and get clogged and stuck in there. And it's got a weight, so if you're on an angle, I guess it'll pull this hose towards it. So that's pretty cool. Vacmasters, they're really are doing good things with this. And then this thing just is it the lock in place? It doesn't look like it locks in place. It just kind of snaps on there. Let me show you that. It just snaps on there. It doesn't lock. So careful tilting it so you don't spill that out. Let me see back here. It's got this little hook you hang on the wall. It's got the filter. I believe this is the post-motor HEPA filter, if I can get it out. The pleated post-motor HEPA filter. So yeah, better filtration than my Shop Vac brand. It doesn't have a post-motor filter. You can put HEPA filters in it, but you know, having a post-motor filter, HEPA filter, catches all that carbon dust and anything that makes it through the motor. Alright, and then it's got these really nice to use latches on the side. See how easily you can work those. Open it up. It's got a pretty good quality filter. This is the dry vacuuming filter. Here is the hose. This is a nice quality hose. Everything about this is better than the Shop Vac I have already. The Shop Vac's gonna be dedicated dry vacuum though. But I mean, this hose it's really nice. Feels really nice. It's not all. I mean, it's nice and it's got a gloss finish on it. Feels like it's got a rubberized coating on it instead of just straight plastic. You know, this end screws on, and this is this is the end of the water hose that attaches. And this is the other end that attaches to your lance and the trigger for the sprayer. They were nice enough to give a paper vacuum filter bag if you want to do dry vacuuming with it. I'd say check online, check on Amazon for better quality cloth bags because, I mean, this is very basic. But if you're trying to pick up drywall dust or something, you're going to need something a little bit better. We've got the hardware to mount the front wheels on. This is the wet filter, so you just kind of slide it up over and then you're good to go. Another couple of attachments in here. Dusting brush, pretty basic dusting brush. I've got a really nice one I got. This will work as well. We've got a crevice tool. And then we've got the little hubcaps for the wheels to give them a nice look, I guess. But yeah, guys, really excited to use this. I'll probably record, I'll record another video later on of the machine in action. I'm still trying to figure out, I guess it doesn't have a trigger. This doesn't have a trigger. Oh, it does have a suction control though, and that's pretty cool. It doesn't have a trigger though, it doesn't look like, so I guess you just press and hold the detergent button to get it to spray out. I mean, I'll find out later today when I use it. But I'm pretty excited to try this out. I'll probably do a nasty floor mat with it. Just for a demonstration. I usually clean floor mats out with a pressure washer, but I mean, you know, I don't want to get inside and do a whole car tonight, but I'll get a demonstration video up soon. Anyways, appreciate you all watching. Give the video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, leave a comment below, and I like to discuss things with everybody. Other than that, everyone have a good day.